Hey guys, hope you're alright. Today was a good day. I added another rule. So I figured let me change the format of the clips a little bit and add my rules on screen. And I figured every day I'm going to add another rule and I'm going to focus on that rule until I manage to respect it. So once I get that rule down to a T, then I'll add another one and so on. So thus far, I have two rules. My first rule is my 400 daily loss limit, and that's automated. So I don't need to worry about that too much. If I hit that rule, I just want to make sure that I stop trading there. I get up from my seat and I go do something else. I stop trading for the day. And now today's new added rule is only take base hits trades. So basically those trades that I take all day, every day, those trades that are in my playbook. And yeah, I didn't manage to respect this rule entirely because I started the day with a type of gamble trade, as you'll see. And as I moved on through the day, I tried to take only this type of trades and I somewhat managed. But at the end, I ended the day with taking another couple weird trades or not trades that are base hits. And I decided, yeah, it's enough. Let's stop trading for today because I'm going to make more damage than it's worth it. It was a good day. I ended up profitably, so I'm proud of that. And yeah, let's go through the first trade. So as you can see here, this trade is based on the fact that we had news and I entered with 5 contracts, a large position size, and we wicked down first, and then we wicked up. I got filled and I instantly closed the trade for $700 a win. I should have just placed a automatic stop loss and take profit, but I did not. So these a couple of trades that you're going to see on screen, I recorded my ES screen and you couldn't see those screens. But yeah, it wasn't such a big loss because yeah, just 3 trades. So right now I took this trade on ES with the trend after we had that major push higher. It was a 24 EMA bounce and I went with strength. So I just closed this trade for $150 in profit. So that's a good thing. And next I tried to take this overnight high backtest on NQ and I already was in quite nice profit. So I figured, yeah, let me just trade with 3 contracts because I'm far away from my 400 daily loss limit. So yeah, it's a pity because I got shaken out. You see, I just if I would have placed my stop below the New York VWAP, I would have just made loads of money in this trade. And I just entered based on the same trading idea with continuation. And I just managed to grab a couple $100 here. It was a 200, almost, yeah, it was a $400 trade win on this one. But yeah, I could have just made much more if I wouldn't have get shaken out. And I just got shaken out because, yeah, that's another rule that I need to put there. If I place a stop loss, let the trade hit stop loss or take profit and just play with the amount, with the position size. So basically, I accept risk and I'm going to note this down and I'm going to have this rule added in the future streams. And you can see there, I tried another trade. I got stopped at break even. And this trade is a continuation trade. This is not a base hit. This is the type of trade that you sometimes win, you sometimes don't. And I try not to take these trades. It was a winner in this case, but yeah, it's best that you don't do that. This trade was another win, a view up bounce, but I saw that we were struggling, so I just closed it for $100 win. And this trade was another continuation trade because I saw that we pushed with quite the power below VWAP and we didn't manage to get a bounce from the VWAP. So I kind of knew, or not knew, knew is the wrong expression, but I kind of had this feeling that it's not over and we're going to go much lower. And we did eventually. But yeah, I just entered again because I saw that we closed again the 1 minute below VWAP. So I was expecting a flush down to the downside and we got it. But yeah, it's just one of those trades that you never know what might happen. We could have just gotten a flush to the upside. So yeah, this was my last trade of the day and I decided, yeah, let me just stop here because I'm not taking the trades that I want to take. I'm just taking random trades that I kind of have an intuition for where the market is trying to go, but they're not like my regular setups. Be awesome. But yeah, if you're not trading how you should be trading and respecting your rules and all that, then it's just forcing the luck. And I don't want to do that because I lost so many evals that I could have just stopped when I had a nice profit cushion on them. and I just didn't, and I blew the account. So today I decided, yeah, let me just stop being full and be okay with what I made. I'm not even seeing the setups that I want. And yeah, I just took some trades that I'm somewhat proud of. The first trade was more of a gamble because if I would have had my take profit set for that trade, I could have just made £1,000 instead of 700, because I would have just placed my take profit at 40 ticks away, and I would have just gotten instantly filled and exited on that position. But it was a gamble because you saw how the first trade, the news trade, just wicked to the downside, and it could have just wicked to the upside, and then the move could have been to the downside. But based on the past news that we had, the market sentiment in my mind was bullish. We were in a bullish market structure in the high time frame, even though we had some bearish signs. My overall sentiment was bullish. So I just figured, yeah, let me just have a quick scalp here, because I usually try this trade, but I wasn't quick enough for me to place my bracket trades, so my stop loss and take profit automatically. So that's something that I regret. I could have capitalized more on that. And yeah, I just decided to stop trading when I started taking those trades that you take when you have an intuition that the market is going to go in your direction. Those trades based on only delta or momentum, or those type of trades that, yeah, they don't have a clear edge. You have a certain probability when the market is moving strongly in one direction and you're going with the trend, but you need to have a clear invalidation for these trades. And yeah, I didn't want to give any profit back, so I decided, yeah, it's enough for me for today, and let me just stop trading here. I knew I went on a rant on this last part, but I want to just emphasize the importance of following the rules, because you saw yesterday I hit my daily loss limit and I stopped trading, and today I made 1.3k, so I'm well above my initial starting point. So I'm pretty happy, and moving forward, I'm going to emphasize more the importance of having rules and the importance of just like being patient and being a good trader, because yeah, I just got traded or just got too focused on the fact that trading is quite easy when you're doing things right, but it can transform into something negative if you're not following rules, if you're trading left and right, and if you're just trading setups that are not in your playbooks. And yeah, that's my message, and I hope you're going to learn something from it, because that's how I got to payouts. It's just basically hit your daily goal. If you hit your daily loss limit, you stop trading and you just wait for the best setups, and you limit your trades. I should only take between 3 and 5 trades per day. And those are 2 rules that are going to come. So limit my trade count per day, and when I enter a trade, let it go to stop loss or take profit, no matter what. So I'm just going to play with my position size and truly be a risk manager in that sense of the word, and not just like go for this 40 ticks take profit and close it after 20 ticks or something like that. There is a time and place where that type of thing is advisable, but that shouldn't be the overall trading strategy that you adopt. You should just aim for take profits based on market structure, levels on the chart. And yeah, I'll stop here. Thanks for watching. I will go to Greece for the next 2 weeks, so the format of the channel is going to change a bit. I might trade the trade of 8 on TradingView. I just need to figure out how to record my trades, and I don't know if I'm going to do shorts or I'm going to do full videos. I haven't figured that out yet, because I might be on the road in a car for a couple of days, so it might be difficult for me to do all of that. But we'll see how things go, and I'll keep you updated once I get to my Airbnb in Greece. Hopefully I'm going to have a better setup, and I'll be able to record my screen and trade. If not, I'll just keep you updated, and I'll see you in 2 weeks. But we'll see how things go. Thanks for watching, and have a nice weekend.